What's up?
Worst piece of shit.
What's wrong with it?
It's more like, what isn't wrong with this, dude? Like, everything is wrong with this. I'm trying to fucking fix it. It's Microsoft. Like, these things have, like, so many errors. It's unbelievable.
Are you sure it's not you, that you just don't know how to do it right?
No, I do know how to do this right. Fuck you! Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. Seriously.
What is?
Fucking believable.
What's wrong with it, dude?
Stop mocking me.
I just don't think you know how to fix it, dude.
You know what? At least I don't have a 3-inch penis like you do. Fucking
Why,
bad.
you've seen it?
Yeah, dude, online. Okay, let's see if this works. There's a small possibility that I might electrocute myself. So, in case that happens.
We'll throw a party.
Yeah. Now this shit isn't going into the fucking hole. Unfucking believable.
I hear that typically is a problem with you.
Yeah, because my dick's so big.